Hi Stamping friends, it's Jessie with Stampin Stampers and I am here with a new card kit for the month. Today I want to be making the Colorful Kaleidoscope kit with you. And I'm super excited, so let's just turn this camera down and let's get stamping. One of the reasons why I wanted to make this card kit today is because I think it is a great all-occasion kit. This is a stamp set that comes with it. It's all greetings. We have two different thank yous. There's a birthday wishes. This one says, may your day be filled with light and love, a just because, and I love you so much. I think it's great. You can turn these cards into whatever occasion that you may need it for. But today I'm gonna make a thank you card. So I'm gonna use this stamp right here. And then this card kit, if you've never made one before, it comes with the block. So you truly don't need any of your own supplies to be able to make these cards. So we'll get this inked up. I always like to do a test run, make sure I'm good. Ooh, that was nice. Let's hope we can do that again. And there we go. So like I said, I believe this card kit's great for any occasion, and as I said, that's why I wanted to make it today, because I feel like many of us have been very focused on our holiday cards recently, and understandably. So I am actually wanting to make this kit to kind of build back up my stash of cards. I like to use card kits and make them, oops, I'm not aligned there. I like to make my card kits and all at once. So this kit will make 9 different cards. So then I just have a good stash of cards for whenever I need one. So that way, whenever I need a card for whatever occasion it may be, I already have a few that are pre-made, so I'm not stressing last minute trying to make any. So what I did here, this kit came with these foam adhesive strips and mini dimensionals. So I'm gonna just try and peel off the backings here. But this will pop up this little piece on the front of our card. And these little boogers are wanting to be a pain. Come on. Almost there. 1 dimensional, 2 dimensionals. Okay, so now we will just pop this, try and align it straight on my card here. And there we go. So simple, but look at all that texture to that card. I think it's beautiful. Then we have these little embellishments, and we're going to just put them on the tips of all of these. Oops. So this card kit, Colorful Kaleidoscope, comes with all the supplies needed to make 3 cards each of 3 designs. So this is just one of the designs to make. Now I'm gonna take this that I stamped, which way to go that way, add my mini dimensionals on here, peel those backs off, and here, and that's it. Talk about a very simple thank you card. It doesn't get much easier than that. All the supplies I needed, very quick, and now anytime I'm gonna need a thank you card over the next year, I'm gonna probably have 3 of these just ready to go. So this is just one design. I already made the other designs that I'm just gonna bring in here. So this is all the supplies to make a second design. It's just these 4 pieces. And this is the card that it makes. So this, I use the wishing you a magical birthday. We use just the 1 embellishment in the middle there. Look how pretty that is. I love like the gold that's behind it. It really makes this shine. So that's card 2. And then the 3rd design, these are the pieces to make the 3rd design. And it makes this card here. I turned this into a just because. I think just because cards are the best to have on hand because you can use them truly for any occasion. You could use just because you're so special to me, open it up, write thank you. It's another thank you card. Just because is just one of the best greetings, in my opinion, to have lying around. So these are the 3 cards that are made in the Colorful Kaleidoscope kit. And of course, it also comes with these gorgeous coordinating envelopes. And that is all I have to share with you all today. I really hope you enjoyed seeing this card kit. Yeah, thank you everybody. I hope you all have a stamp happy day.